magbenta kami ni Mixo Mars ng bote-bote. Let's sell this, oh.
Oh, no, oh, good.
Yeah. We get money from this. What's this?
Cans.
Cans and bottles.
Or, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Put your shoes up.
Mine!
Hey!
My sword gun!
Come here.
My water gun! Wow!
Give it to me na.
No!
It's 40 cents ba? Come here.
No, it's water gun!
No, you just play it. Come here.
No, it's water gun.
See,
Water gun.
get pants na. Hey, ay nako. Dagway. Hey, put.
Okay!
Ay, no.
Ah, water gun!
40 cents yan, oh. 40 cents.
No! I got
Hey,
Take it down.
go get pants na ba? Kay malakaw na ta.
Water shooter!
No more cans there? Sige na. Kami lang dalawa ni Mixo mga Mars punta ng Prisma. Bili kami ng regalo. May atinan kaming binyag. So, bili kami ng regalo sa bata. At sasama ko si Mixo natin para makalabas din siya. Oy. Mag-work ako kanina. And then, sinundo ko siya ng maaga. Usually naman, sinusundo ko siya ng 4:30. Ngayon, nasundo ko siya ng 3:30. Para hindi na ako pa balik-balik ba na, alam mo yung 3:30, tapos uwi na ako ng bahay, 30 minutes, din pick up pa. Diniretso ko na lang siya, 3:30. Hindi na pahinga. Si Pars natin kay
Putting my pants on!
bake ng patongki. Bread. Ooh. Why the yes is not wet?
First comes dry.
Ah, okay. Okay now, let's go.
Man, water gun!
Mag-bake siya ng
Wow,
tinapay.
water gun!
Gusto niya pagpraktisan yung patongki mga Mars ba yung pahaba na bread.
Take my water gun.
Where's your shoes? You don't need to wear the halari. Ito na lang, oh. Okay.
It's wrong. It's wrong.
Sa Prisma lang kami pupunta mga Mars. Magkano kaya yung kikitain namin ni Mixon nito? Siguro mga 20 euro to, ha? That's the way you walk?
Yeah.
Ano yan? You're dancing or you're walking?
I want it.
Sinali ko na yung naiipon ko dun sa gym mga Mars. Nung naglinis ako, nakakuha na naman ako dun sa mga basurahan.
Without a door.
Piraso ng bote mga Mars.
Without a door.
Yeah, there's normal.
Someone's coming out of it at the window.
Where? Okay.
Ah, it's a door. Why?
Pila tayo, pila na. May nakauna sa amin. So, pila-pila muna kami. Madami din sa kanila. Oh. 2 bag. So, sabi niya mga Mars, siya daw ang mag...
Trash attack.
Yes. Tinuruan ko
Look at
siya
the
Mars na...
Let me dump it on you.
Ito. Sinabihan ko siya Mars na... Pag makakita siya ng mga bote-bote, ipunin niya para magkapera siya. At pwede niyang ibenta dito. O kaya ipunin namin. So, gusto niya itry na siya ang lagay dun. Abot naman niya yata eh. Ha?
I don't want to dump it like this.
No, I will help you. I think they are done now. Not yet.
Wait, they still have to take.
Now they are done. Okay.
So where do I put it?
Here, wait.
Where?
You put it there. Yun. Yun, there. ba?
There's one. No, there's still.
There's... Okay.
Good, no more.
No more? Wait. Ay, sorry. Okay. There is garbage and then this. This is, can you hold the camera? Hold the camera. Here goes our
I put a thumbs up on the camera.
plastics. Ayan, tignan natin kung magkano yung kikitain natin na.
So we just get a card?
Ha?
We just get a card?
Yeah, see, there is money, oh. And then they will count. No, it will come paper. And then we need to change it from the kasa.
The money?
Yeah.
Mine.
Sa kanya daw. Okay, what do you want to buy?
Toy.
Toy? Ay, nako. Toy ang gusto niya, Mars. But not so expensive. Okay? Okay. Tagal-tagal naman itong hindi nabilihan, Mars. Dito, bilhan natin. Ayun, 7 euro.
It's better if you didn't spend all my money because remember at Philippines?
Your money is gone na, uy.
It's better if you didn't buy stuff.
Pwede ba ito dito? Ay, hindi.
Where do we put it?
Ha? I don't know. This one.
Just,
Ha?
just leave it here?
No, I think we can add here.
Right?
Yeah, where it is? Asan na yun?
Swami.
Eh, Oduta.
Ay, Swami?
Oduta, asan na yun? Touch free recycle automatic print out after 15 seconds. Automatic, wala man.
You don't have to do anything?
No,
Just wait.
just wait. Nothing happened.
When we do that, let's check out this one.
How much?
I don't know. I
14.
I don't know how
Oh.
to count. Oh.
Wait.
There's nothing. Oh. There was still. Oh,
Yeah.
We get more money.
More money. Ay, 15 lang na.
It's 15.
15 euro.
Is that not a lot?
No, it's already big. Big money. Yeah, 15. Akala ko madami na yun. 15 euro lang yung kita natin.
Who wants trash?
Ha?
Who wants trash?
Okay. Ayan yung kita namin. Do you want to click it?
Here?
Yeah? Okay, you get it.
A token?
Okay. Okay, you can have this. Ayan. May ano na siya, Mars. May kita na. Hey, let's wash our hands.
Oh yeah, why do you have to wash them?
Because you hold that plastic bag. It's quite
Trashy.
trashy.
Ah! Cyclops scared me. Hey. Oh, everything automatic.
Yeah, automatic. Everything is automatic.
Hey,
Oh. Oh. There.
everything is a robot.
Lahat na lang. Okay, get it, get it.
Oh, I didn't know.
Another automatic.
Everything's just a robot.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So where do I put it?
Where is the trash can? Here. Here's the trash. Okay, pasok kami dun sa loob,
I just
Mars.
put it inside there?
Yeah, there is horoscope. Okay. Let's go. Hanap tayo ng pangregalo sa baby. Happy naman si Mixo
What's
dito.
the
Oh.
where's the baby leg?
far. Far, far away. Naguguluhan ako ano ang ireregalo.
Baby Lego.
No. Do we need to give clothes or toys? Let's find out.
Both.
Ha?
Both.
Both?
Yeah, both.
Oh, this is for big one. Come here, asa man yung mga pang baby nila? Iba din yung nahanap niya, oh, yung sa kanya. Ito. Ay, ang cute. Baby clothes?
Oh, yeah. Both.
Both?
Yeah, baby toys and clothes.
Oh, this is so cute.
Oh, cute. Yeah.
Ha? So cute, no? Mga pang ano. Ito na lang kaya. Uy, namiss ko yung may baby Mars. Namimiss ko yung mga ganito. Yung mga maliliit.
That's on Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty. Do you want Hello Kitty? Do you want Hello Kitty?
No, no way.
Baby clothes na lang, nak. Yan, saan yung iba?
Da 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 da.
Ako'y naguguluhan na saan yung ibibigay ko. Clothes na lang siguro kasi kailangan ng madaming clothes, di ba? Okay, mabilis lang lumaki ang mga baby. Wala, ito, ang cute! Ang daming cute. Ay, winter man
It's
to Mars.
fluffy.
Yeah.
It's like the same one what I had, the dinosaur. But
Same?
mine,
Yeah, I remember.
but mine's just bigger.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you are not baby anymore.
I'm a giant boy.
Bakit wala silang ano, yung pang newborn talaga ba? Ito, ang cute nito. I like this. Until 1 month. Kailangan to eh.
Is this a pajamas?
6 months. Diba?
Looks cute.
Cute. Yeah, pantulog. Ito na lang, nak. I like
Oh.
it.
I found the
Ha?
Malagin
Kaya lang, hindi ko alam ano ang pangalan. Hindi ko alam ano ang pangalan. 6 months. Like this? It's cute?
Yes.
Cute, no? Okay. Ito na lang. Daming cute Mars. Yung mga pink.
You think the baby's gonna like dinosaurs?
It's a girl. Try natin maghanap ng toys for baby. Not yet.
Baby toys.
Yeah.
Baby.
What do you want, man?
Baby.
Bakit kunti lang yung pang newborn nila?
Baby. Oh.
I know now. Ano to sa akin, Mars? I know now. Praktikalan to akin, Mars. Praktikalan. Andito pala yung more baby stuff nila.
Oh, what?
It's more pink here. Smoothie? Andito yung mga baby stuff. Milk. You like this?
Yeah, it's a really fun chair.
For you. Ang mukha niya. Biro lang kita. Wait, let's go.
The baby
go.
and the dog.
Ayaw ba? Tara na.
Where do we go?
Ha?
We're going home?
Not yet. Itong mga ganito, maganda din to. Regalo. Yung mga baby stuff. Kasi yung si Mixo mga Mars, nung nagbiniyag siya, ang dami din namin natanggap na mga ganito. Yung pagkain ba? For the baby.
Ow.
Kaya lang, ang gusto ko is yung unopen. Pwede naman siguro yung Maghingi ako dun ba na hindi siya na-open mga Mars. Kasi maganda din po siya 6 months. Umi na. Mga pagkain na. Ganito. Mga pangbaon-baon to siya Mars. Maghingi nga ako. Tanong nga ako dun kung pwede ako kumuha nung hindi siya open. Naka-open kasi to eh. Mga ganito oh. So, meron na kaming gift mga Mars. Ito lang, praktikalan tong akin Mars. Yung baby food talaga. Ito, makakain talaga to siya Mars. And, itong pantulog na damit. Ito naman ay puro 6 months yung kinuha ko. Para matagal-tagal pa Mars ba. Okay, Mixo. It's your time.
Your what?
Okay, only one
Okay.
toy. Only one toy. Not so expensive, ha? Okay. Piliin natin siya. Ano yung gusto niya, Mars? Binibilhan man namin to, pero hindi palagi. Ha? Where do you want? Ano man gusto mo?
Wait.
There is sale, oh.
Sale?
Mga mura-mura. Yeah. Ay, mga pang baby man to. There's dinosaur. Dino egg. How about this? Dino ice. Okay. Guguluhan din siya ano yung bibilhin niya, Mars. Ha? Ay, bili pa pala kami ng paper bag nito. Tapos card. Okay, mag-shopping siya. Ang nakakaganda lang kay Mixo mga Mars. Pag binilhan ko siya, sasabihin niya, Mama, akala ko hindi mo ko bibigyan kasi kakatapos lang ng Pasko. Car again?
Yes.
Oh my God, you already have a lot of cars. Monster truck. Different kind of monster truck. Huh?
Now I'm gonna pick one when I don't.
Okay, you will pick one that you don't have.
Yes.
It seems like you all have it. Paborito niya itong mga Hot Wheels, Mars.
I don't have everything. I don't have the big rigs.
No, I think you have.
I don't. I just have this kind of, but just the 4-wheelers. I don't have the big rig.
Okay.
The big rig.
Okay, we'll get this.
Yeah.
That green one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because look, you can ride, put trucks on it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. We need to find a paper bag. Para
Paper
sa aming
bag.
regalo, Mars. Dito na. Nakabili na din ako ng regalo, Mars. Yun lang naman ang binili ko. Itong damit. Kay cute siya. Pantulog. Tanggalan muna natin ng price. Parang wala man itong price na nakalagay dito. Ano nga to siya, Mars? Oh, bio na tela. Newborn. Ang ganda nito kay malambot sa skin to ng baby. Ayan, yung ireregalo natin. Tapos pagkain ni baby. Ako dati nung baby si Mixo, mas gusto ko yung mga ganito ang natatanggap ko, Mars, kay makakain talaga ng bata ba. For sure, madaming damit ang ibibigay. At least ito ay mapakinabangan. Tapos dalawang damit. Hindi na ako bumili ng plastic bag doon. Tapos, card. Ayan yung aming regalo ni Mix. So, uy, wala, masira naman tong paper bag na binili ko. Bago pa nga lang. Ang isa din doon, nag-unpack sa sarili niyang gift. Ayan, okay na yung ating gift sa binyag. Iwan ko muna si Mixo dito sa kagubatan. Just wait na ka. No need to cry. Mabilis lang naman ako dito. Silipin lang natin to. Para hindi na ako babalik mamaya. Uy, na-empty na yung basurahan nila, Mars. Pero ang bagong laman ay potato pa din, Mars. Wala, ang bago, Mars. Wala, yan o, hindi nila pinipick up. Unahan tayo ng basurero, Mars. Wala. Maaga yung empty nila. So, ang ending ay uuwi tayong walang git-git. Yung mukha ni Mixo. Takot to, takot. You scared? Why you look so sad there?
I never feel like I'm happy like my face is up.
Ah, so that is your happy face. Look like sad face.
Yeah.
But I know.
Impossible to do.
But I know you're not happy that I leave you here in the car, but it's not so long. Uy, only maybe 1 minute or 30 seconds. Yes, let's go kay may trabaho pa ako, Mars.
What did Daddy say? Oh, wait.
He's baking
So,
a bread.
just bread?
Yeah, let's hope it's perfect, the bread now. Nagpraktisan talaga ni Pars yung bread, mga Mars, na ma-perfect. Amoy bread dito, Mars, sa aming bahay. Tobe, tignan natin yung tinapay ni Pars kung perfect na ba. Uy, in fairness, malambot. Oh, wow, malambot yung tinapay ni Mars. Fairness, not bad. Taste tinapay. Perfect na siya. Hindi na siya sunog. Ganyan last time. Let's eat. Ano yung gusto ko kainin? Ito. Ngayon pa ako magdi-dinner. Tapos chicken. Gusto ko itong chicken niloto ni Pars. Chicken teriyaki niya.